we guide you through how to set up Binance account. Start by downloading Binance app or visiting the official Binance website, then click sign up and choose whether you want to register using your email address or phone number. Create a strong password, enter the verification code sent to your email or phone, and complete the account registration. After logging in, go to your profile and complete the identity verification by providing your personal details and uploading the required documents. Once your account is verified, secure it by enabling two-factor authentication for extra protection. Next, add a payment method if you want to buy cryptocurrency, such as bank card or supported payment option. You can then deposit funds, explore the Binance dashboard, check available markets, and start managing your crypto account. Always review your security settings and avoid sharing your login details. Also, use official Binance channel to keep your account safe.